Hi guys, so this is the makeup tutorial for today, and it is a get ready with me video. I'm sorry the lighting kept on changing because I recorded this kind of early and like the sun was just coming out, so it came in all them something there, so you know the lighting kind of off another 1 year. But yeah, so that's basically it for this intro. Won't keep you waiting. Again, don't forget to sign up for my Jamaica makeup course. The link will be in the description bar below, as well as for product listings. Please check my website Rochester.com. That as well will be in the description bar below. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video.
If me move on, then I want me I go. You're stepping on my life, you are my life. Me are your wife, me need you enough. You capture my heart, the people are gonna know it. Me are your staff, you are my Moses. You're soft for my heart, anytime me get stony. Are you alone? My wife is around me. I don't want nothing more, just your Shekinah to pour. I'll close my eyes, open the door, so I can be here forevermore. Of you is what I want. No time off, that's what I want. What you have is what I want. You're all I want. I belong to you. You're my melody. The song you have to prove. You belong to me.
gotta let you go.
The pain, it goes so deep when I think of what you did to me and how I lost a part of me because I loved you. Forgiving you is the last thing on my mind. When they ask me if I'm alright, I smile, but I hate you. And I want to be free. I want to be free. I want to be free. It takes so long for you to know, say you never want me. Although you tell me, some me a wifey, but you're in it. See, they know you're in it. I know me can't stand to see your face. All of the years from my waist, your hands run my waist, the kisses, the embrace, you're in it. See, they know you're in it, in it. I know I want to be free. I want to be free. I want to be free. Yeah. Ooh, I need to be free. Yeah. I need to be free again. To love again.
See, I've been going through a lot of stuff this month, girl, and I've been feeling to break up, girl. I met this girl, she rocks my world.
No.
But I got a little crazy over you and over her, and I didn't know what to do. So I'm ending this.
Don't do this.
I'm sorry, but I'm ending this.
Don't do this to me, Father. But tired of the pain again, another heartbreak again and again and again. And when it all go end, 'cause from me I fall in love, me I get hurt. Them scars, yeah, I mash up my self-worth. All them want is what they under my skirt, and me get hurt. Me need to be free. Me need to be free, yeah. For be free, for be free, for be free. Jehovah Rapha, oh, me need ya. Forgive me freedom, freedom. Me need to be free, yeah. Me need to be free, yeah. For love again, and for walk down the road there again. Me want freedom, freedom. Oh, Rapha, oh, Rapha, oh, Rapha, me need ya now. Forgive me, give me, give me, give me, give me, give me, give me freedom. Yeah. Me like how me feel free, light as a feather. Me forgive the brother.
I can't sing, bro. I'm there now. I can't sing, bro.
Worthy,
Confused
give me one time when me thirsty.
and bruised.
May God bless and God bless, and nobody can curse me. And anytime the age is sick, Jesus nurse, him nurse me. Can't cry, see my the best, him higher than the rest. The Lord a give me blessing for me, the palm of me breast. And when me fall all in a mess, and me under arrest, me confess, 'cause I heaven me want to be me address. And when me down on the press, me fed up and me stress. Me ask the Lord for peace of mind, and Jesus on me press. And if me get deep on me test, me link him and request. And the Lord him with me strength like him all put this on me chest. God Father worthy. Oh God, you show me your grace and you show me your mercy. And anytime the age is sick, Father nurse me. You give me living water. Anytime me thirsty for you are. When me fall, you make me stand. Me weak, you make me strong. I've done so many wrong, it's like say me deserve fit. And I know the journey kinda long. You make me young along, all along. You be my inspiration for write all a song. And when me can't even cope, you came and show me hope. Make me pick up a Bible or a mic instead of rope. And when me almost like the hope, me and them still a hope. I remember when you came and make me clean us like a soap. Father, you are worthy. And you show me your grace and you show me your mercy. Father, when me sick, me know you are nurse me. Oh, Father, give me living water when me thirsty.
So much, you guys, for making it to the end of the video. Really means a lot to me. If you made it this far, thank you so very much for watching. Also, please don't forget to check out Pomade by Lyric on Instagram. It's my new endeavor. Follow if you want sneak peeks and you know what the hell is she up to kind of a thing. So yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.
See my libes, him higher than the race. The Lord a give me blessing for me, the palm of me breast. And if me fall under a race, and me go on a stress, me confess, cause I ever me want to be me address. When me fed up and me stress, me down and me depressed. Me ask the Lord for Jesus, mine and Jesus.